This is spin display stand. This is a spin display stand pedestal. We're going to show you what this is about, how to set up, install, and load. Let's unbox the 3D hologram fan with wardrobe. As we open up the package, show you how nicely everything is packed inside. Remove all packaging, go over the instructions, and all the parts. You have your main frame, your base, your arm, your hardware packages numbered, and your tools and wiring, and your 3D hologram. We're set up for the first part. We have our base. Lay it down on the table with the bottom facing to the ceiling. We have the bar. We have 4 bolts with the large head. We have 2 screws. We have a plate. And we have 2 additional screws and a tie wrap from the power cord that is from the main spin display box. And we have the extension cable as well. What we're going to be doing is placing things to the side. With the cover, we're going to grab the plate that is slid into the bottom base. Carefully grab and lift up and out. Put to the side. Over here we have 2 holes and 2 holes here. We're going to take a plate, a screw, and start to set in. We're given a precision screwdriver for the job. We're going to lower this screw down loosely. Allowed to be in the open position. We're then going to take the plate cover, the power supply given from the spin display, and place in with the cable secured and out through the hole, both cables. This is where the cable is going to go for the power. With the tie wrap, we can go through both holes, place our cable through, and lock down, and adjust accordingly. We're going to lift up and rotate around carefully. We're going to tap down into place. With the 2 holes matched up, I'm going to take a bolt for each side, align, and lock down. Close down till they are flush against the metal. With the power cable going through the slot, closing the door, and placing on the last bolt and locking into place. Lift the unit up and rotate correctly around. This is your back that gets plugged in after the installation. As we uninstall the bar, there are 2 sides to the bar. One that has the nuts and one that doesn't. And you're going to simply make sure the holes face forward and back and take 4 A2 bolts, place on to the bottom, and lock all 4 down. Grab this Phillips screwdriver and secure down. As you can see, the difference, one is flat and the other is with a nut. We're going to lift up, watch our height, rotate with the 2 holes, slide on. I'm going to grab 4 bolts and lock down. We're going to slide the bar back down carefully, raise, and lock down. Repeat for the back side with 2 bolts. Our next step is to now assemble the top piece. Lift up with the 4 screw holes and square. Align. Place on a screw. Lock down. Repeat for the other 3. We have an extension cable that's going to slide through the hole to the bottom. Simply plug together, tuck in, lift back up, and simply secure down with a simple tie. In the kit, we have a back plate with holes. We're simply going to peel 1/2 off. With the hole facing to the top, we're going to align on, place in 2 bolts, rotate around, lock washers and washers lock on. With the screwdriver, secure down carefully. With the back piece turned around, lifting up, making sure the plug is in the back correctly, placing in into the embedded area, feel for the corner and start to peel off the film, leaving exposed the top 3 holes. With the screwdriver, place on the screw and secure down the top 3 holes. And start to work the side holes as well. When all screws are in, you can peel off the cover and place in your spin display before closing the front. We're going to rotate around, place to the side as well as the cover, and work on the spin display. Please remove all spin display arms and its hardware package. Do not forget to put the remote control to the side, and you have a small precision screwdriver to set up. On the spin display, you have B and A. You take the letter B, this is the back side, bring it to the front and match up to the corresponding port. Lay on and press down gently. With 2 set bolts, place into the arm and hold and lock down. With A, align up and snap down. Place in the screw and secure. And simply finish off the other 2 by placing on. Bring the stand over to the area. We have a set bolt that goes on top here. This is our bottom. Our top. Slide on by rotating the arms in an X position. Lift up, over, and down. Looking towards the back, you're going to take the set screw and place on. Locks the unit in place. Push down a little and secure down. Over here we have the plug. Wrap around and plug into the top. Dress the cable behind with the white tie wrap around the wire, through the center hole, carefully squeeze together, slide through, holding pressure on the bottom, pulling tight, and twisting. The line goes straight and we're ready to close up the front. But before we close up, we have an SDXC card to remove. Let's rotate around the unit and show you where the SDXC card is at. Here. Remove the SDXC card take out and go to the computer and download the application. With the computer, place in your SDXC card and open up the application. And download and load up. Open up Spin Display. Be able to play, stop, export, splice, batch file settings. This is where your spin display, when connected, will show up and allow it to do computer to the spin display. We have the front display that we could take off and place on. At this moment, we're leaving it off so we could get into the spin display SDXC card. We're going to plug in our spin display. Our spin display starts a test. We are ready to go. We have a remote control. Please remember to remove the tab for the 2025 battery. And we hit the on button. Number of images, a countdown, a blowfish. And we'll go through this a little faster. A Santa Claus, a diamond or a ruby, a flower blossoming, a butterfly, a heart, and back to the countdown. And we'll show you how to add your own images through the application of the smartphone. We're here with the mobile application Spin Display and we're opening up. And we have here repeating the lionfish. If we go over to the top line, we could slide over to the left and delete off, edit, rename it. We have 7 different types of images on. We have a gallery that you simply open up on the mobile side and choose the different items in there. We have a design. You can make a custom text and so forth through the images as you see. And then through the camera, you could shoot your own image or video and share. We're going to the main one and we're looking for the plus on the right-hand side underneath the settings. And we're going to take a picture in our library of a cartoon. We can expand it, shrink it, and we could show the amount of time we want to play it for, up to a minute. And then we need to hit send and put a name to the image. Cartoon. Hit OK. Ready to send. It's in the system. And here we are with the cartoon we have made. We could create this into a video by artificial intelligence and making movement. We'll show you how to add a video into the unit. To place a video on is simple as hitting the plus again, going into the video, picking a video, choosing it, fit it to the screen into the circle, and then simply hit send, put a name to it, cartoon, fire, and allow it to send to the MS-52. On the bottom of the app is the cartoon. And this is the image we put to a video. Put your logo on, put a video of your choice on, anything imaginable. If you want to repeat it, you simply press on the button, press it again, and you could recycle the image infinity. We're going to shut off the application and go over to the computer and load up an image through the PC. We are here with the spin display with the computer. We have an upload. Click it. It opens up to a number of things. We have a cartoon. As we open it up, we want to place this on. We hit the upload. You'll see a green bar go across, and you'll see a number 10 being created. You can rename it by going into the center and renaming. We loaded up a bot war, and we're going to play the bot war for you by pressing it. Double click, and we're going to come over here and repeat it right here. We should have a repeat. On the unit, it's playing the bot war. If you want to project anything off of a computer, we go to the projection, start projection, minimize this screen, and you should see my screen being displayed. Finish the projection, and you're back to the main part. We have our cartoon we could play by double-clicking and repeat it. If we want to rename something, I'm going to go above over here to number 5. You could rename, how many repetitions, if it's a video or photo, all day, hide it, set a time to start and end. That is the program. As we peel off the inner cover, turn off the machine and peel off the outer cover and start to secure down with screws and finish off. With the remote control smartphone and desktop application of the misused stand pedestal and other types of stands that the company has to offer. With the remote control, you put on any image imaginable or go to the library and pick your own image of the choices that are there. Bring it to the expo, residential, parties, fairs, show your work, bot wars, presentations, and more. Show your gaming needs by putting on an image of Mario, Luigi, and more. Spin displays come in different sizes, and this one is protected by acrylic cover, front and back, made of metal all around, and stands 62 plus inches tall. I stand 72 inches, 6 feet. I hope you enjoy your spin display. Bye, miss you.